A real parasite cleanse uses bioavailable ingredients and a series of easy but targeted methods that heal your gut microbiome to dispel, flush, and prevent parasites. Experience has found that in order to do a complete and proper parasite cleanse, it's vital to utilize a well-rounded and targeted step-by-step approach. You'll be happy to hear that decades of research has found that real parasite cleansing is inexpensive and easy to accomplish once you know what to do and how to do it. Doing a real parasite cleanse shifts your body into healing and fights parasites from your core for real and lasting results. Think of getting rid of internal parasites the same way that you get pests out of your home. It's more than just setting up a few traps and hoping for the best. Instead, you need to address the root cause to completely get rid of the issue. Don't worry, real parasite cleansing is easy when you know how to do a proper parasite cleanse. Use these 3 easy steps to start your parasite cleanse. Step 1. Tackle your food addictions. First, eliminate 2 of your most intense food cravings. One easy swap is to stop going to your favorite fast food place in favor of cooking a nourishing one-pot meal at home. Nothing beats the aroma and taste of a slow-cooked meal. Best of all, you can save money by freezing healthy leftovers to eat later. Step 2. Focus on cleanse consistency and heal your gut microbiome. Just like you can't do to the gym for one day and get results, it takes consistent cleansing to get actual results. One effective parasite cleansing method is to create a daily organic parasite fighting tea routine, because tea is easy to absorb and drenches your body with benefits. The most important component to parasite cleansing is to heal your gut microbiome, to dispel and prevent parasites. Step 3. Rebuild and protect against future parasites. Look for ways to rebuild your system that you can commit to. One idea is to simply start your day with a nourishing bowl of bone broth or homemade mineral-rich veggie broth. Parasites hate minerals. Do you want to get an exact step-by-step guide to learn how to create an internal wellness shift to heal, nourish, and protect against parasites? Check out the 21-Day Parasite Cleanse Challenge, the #1 parasite cleanse.